بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons for the second year. My name is teacher Inaz Al-Hadathi. So as you can see on the screen, these are the lessons for the second year for the continuing education. We are concluding our unit. Neighbors and friends, this is the last lesson, lesson number 4. And as I told you before, because it's very important lesson and it has so many information, we decided to have it into 2 parts. Today we will have the second and the final part, part number 2 of lesson of neighbors and friends. You will find this at your books at page 43. So let's start, Bismillah. Let's start by revising what we have learned in the previous lesson. We practice tell our feelings. How do we feel? These were adjectives we use. I feel sad, I feel happy, I feel funny, I feel thirsty, I feel hungry. These are different feelings, and we had so many exercises. We will have a chance in case for any reason you missed the previous lesson, don't miss this one because we will revise the adjectives. By the end of the lesson, inshallah, as I mentioned earlier, we will be able to describe the feelings again. Also, we will answer the question where. How do we answer this question? We have done this before, but we will do it this lesson also. And also we will practice using possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Okay, so let's start. This is the cover of your unit, Neighbors and Friend. This is the 3rd unit of your book, Neighbors and Friend. This is the title. Neighbors and friends are noun. As you can see here, we have plural form. Neighbors, friends are plural. Now, these are different feelings that we might go through our lives. Okay, I hope you are happy all the time. So, in order to describe the feeling, what was the question, my dear student, we ask? In order to describe a feeling, we need to ask this question. How do you feel today? How do you feel now? Are you okay? By asking this question, we might have different response, depend on the how do we feel. Okay, so we might answer by saying, I feel happy, I feel excited, I feel tired, I feel angry, I feel sad, I feel proud. Depends on how do you feel. I hope you are fine all the time. Okay, now help me to describe how does this boy feels, my dear student. How does he feel? Describe his feeling for me. He is what? Or he feels what? What do you think? He is obviously angry. Very good. He is angry. Let's read together. Angry. Angry. One more time. Angry. One last time. Angry, very good. He is very angry. Now let's move to the next boy. What do you think? How does he feel? He feels, he's thinking of a glass of water, so he is very good. Thirsty, he is thirsty. Thirsty. One more time. Thirsty. One last time. Thirsty, very good, very good. How about this boy? Tell me. How does he feel today? What do you think? How does this boy feels? Is he happy? Unfortunately, he's not happy. He is sad. He is sad. Very good. He is sad. Now, how about this man? How does he feel? How does he feel? Do you think he is sleepy? Very good. He is sleepy. Very good. Let's read. Sleepy. Sleepy. One more time. Sleepy. One last time. Sleepy. Very good. So he is sleepy. How about this boy or this student? How does he feel? How does he feel? He is lazy, or he feels lazy. Very good. Lazy. Lazy. One more time. Lazy. One last time. Lazy. Very good. Very good. Now, let's describe these feelings. Same man, different feelings let's start with the one to your left. How does he feel? What do you think? What do you think, my dear student? He is very good. He is sleepy. Excellent. Sleepy. Sleepy. How about the man in the middle? How does he feel? Do you think he is fine? Do you think he is happy? He is not. He is sad. Very good. He is sad. And for the last man, he is angry. He is angry. Very good. Angry. So let's revise our answers. Sleepy, sad, angry. Very good. Very good. Now, we have this in our books at page 42. Let's go through them and read them one last time together. Happy, funny, angry, hungry, thirsty, sleepy, lazy, and sad. Very good, my dear student. Now, let's start with possessive adjectives. What do I mean by possessive adjectives? We already take this at the beginning of our semester. Let's revise them. As you can see here, all the personal pronouns, I have them on your left, okay? And on your right, I have the possessive adjectives. Let's start by reading the pronouns, personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. For the possessive adjectives, my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. Okay? So, how do we use the personal pronouns and the possessive adjectives, my dear student? As you can see here, for the subject pronouns or personal pronouns, we often use them, always use them with a verb. I am a teacher. I eat an apple. I bought a house. Okay? So we always use them with a verb. Very good. This is very important. So for subject pronouns, they often go with a verb. Okay? But for the possessive adjectives, they are followed by a noun. Very good. By a noun. These are my shoes. That is his car. This is our country. This is her family. Okay, as you can see, I'm using nouns after these possessive adjectives. So again, one more time. Here we have the subject pronouns and they are followed by a verb. But for the possessive adjectives, they are followed by a noun. Let's read the sentences. I am a teacher. These are my shoes. These are my shoes. Very good, my dear student. Now, let's try to complete these two exercises together. Complete with the correct word. Now, let's read the first one and let's try to complete it with the correct word. They have got a car. Here I have the personal pronoun they. They have got a car. It is, what do you think, my dear student? Can I say it is my car? Can I say it is her car? What do you think? They have got a car. The car belongs to them. So it is their car. Very good. It is their car. Let's read one more time. They have got a car. It is their car. Now let's read the second one. She has got a cat. So here I have the personal pronoun she. She has got a cat. It is, what do you think? Can I say it is his cat? It is my cat? It is our cat? No, actually, it is her cat. It belongs to her, to the girl. Okay, let's read the sentence one more time. She has got a cat. She has got a cat. It is her cat. Now, let's try to write something here. As you can see here, I have she, and it is also followed by a verb. Has is a verb. While the other one, the possessive adjectives, is followed by a noun. Cat. It's followed by a noun. Very good, my dear student. Let's have more examples. Here, let's try to add something. As you can see, to your left, we have the personal pronoun I and you. In the middle, I have the possessive adjectives my and your. We already discussed these two, right? But I will add another one, possessive pronouns. Okay, now, for the first part, as I mentioned before, I, you, personal pronouns are followed by a verb. Very good. They are followed by a verb, right? I am. You open. She sleeps, and so on. While for the possessive adjectives, they are followed by a noun. Very good. They are followed by a noun. My family, your family, our country, his house, her job. Okay? But if we move to the possessive pronouns, it's followed by nothing. So I don't need anything here. Okay? So let's form sentences. Let's form sentences. I have a car. It is my car. The car is mine. Okay? Let me give you an exercise to check your understanding. Here, let's read this sentence together. I have got a kite. So here I have the pronoun I. I have got a kite. It's followed by a verb, right? I have got a kite. It is my kite. My here is followed by a noun. Very good. My kite. It is mine. I don't need to write anything after mine. The sentence is complete. Let's read one last time. I have got a kite. It is my kite. It is mine. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, I need your help here. I need you to help me here. Complete with the correct word. I've got a computer. I have got a computer. It is, what do you think? Let's try to fill it with the correct possessive adjective. What do you think? It is, very good, it is my computer. Very good, it is my computer. Now let's try to fill it with the possessive adjective. It is mine. Very good, and I don't need to write anything after that. Let's read our answers one last time. I've got a computer. It is my computer. It is mine. Very good, my dear student. Now let's move to the second one. You have got a present. You have got a present. It is, what do you think? Can I say it is my present? Can I say it is our present? No, because I have you, it is your present. It is your present. Very good. Here it's followed by a noun, a present, or we might say it is yours. It is yours. Very good. Let's read our answer one last time. You have got a present. It is your present. It is yours. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, we have this at your book at page 43. Now, as usual, I will have it zoom in for the upper part, then the part in the middle, and then the last part. Okay, so let's start here. Read and match. How many sentences can we see, my dear student? I can see 4 sentences, right? And how many pictures can you see? Again, I can see 4 pictures. What are we supposed to do? We are supposed to read the sentences and match them with a picture. For this exercise, I will be giving you 30 seconds. Try to find the answers yourself. I'll be reading the sentences, and then I'll give you 30, perhaps 20 seconds. Try to figure out the answers yourself, and then I will reveal the answers. Where is my mobile? That's number 1. Number 2, my mobile is in my bedroom. That's number 2. Number 3, I don't know. This is mine. Number 4, that's dad. That mobile is his. Okay, so now you will have your 20 seconds. Try to match the correct number with the correct picture. Good luck. Now let's try to reveal the answers with the first one. Let's start with the first picture. What do you think? 4. I hope you got this correctly. Let's read. That's dad. That mobile is his. Now let's go to the next picture. That's number 2. Very good. My mobile is in my bedroom. Very good. Let's go to the third picture. Let's read. I don't know. This is mine. Very good. And for the last one, I have number 1. Very good. Check your answers and write down them in your books, please. Now let's move to the part in the middle. Read and choose. Now, I have 4 sentences here, and I have 2 choices, 2 options. Again, I'll be giving you some time. Try to find the answers yourself before I can reveal the answers. Let's read together. Mr. Saad says, where is my mobile? Number 2, Mom says, I don't know. This is mine. Number 3, Helen says, Tom, that's Dad's. That's he mobile. Number 4, Tom says, mine is in my bedroom. It is under the bed. Now, I'll be giving you approximately 20 seconds. Try to figure out the answers for the 4 exercises, and then I'll be revealing the correct answers. Now, let's start with the first one. Mr. Saad says, where is, what do you think? What was the answer? I know you can get this one. My mobile. Now, let's explain why did we choose my? Because it's followed by a noun. Mobile is a noun. Very good. That's where is my mobile. Very good. Now, let's go to number 2. Mom says, I don't know. This is my or mine. Now, what do you think? It's followed by nothing. So, very good. The answer is mine. This is mine. Excellent, excellent. Let's go to the third one. Helen says, Tom, that's Dad's. That is his or he mobile. What do you think? So here I have a possessive pronoun and a personal or subject pronoun, but I have a noun here, mobile, so the answer is his mobile. Very good. And for the last one, number 4, Tom says, my or mine is in my bedroom. It is under the bed. What do you think? The answer is mine is in my bedroom. Very good. It is under the bed. Very good, my dear student. Make sure you have the correct answers in your book. Now, this is for the lower and the last part. Here I have the personal pronouns, the subject pronouns. Let's read together. I, he, she, it, they, we, you. Remember, my dear student, they are followed by a verb. in the middle. My, his, her, its, their, our, your. They are followed by a noun. And for the last one, mine, his, her, theirs, ours, yours, and we don't need to write anything after them. Okay? Now, help me out to choose for the sentence. Choose the correct answer. I am eating food. My, mine. What do you think, my dear student? What do you think? I have a noun here. Food is a noun. I am eating my food. Very good. I am eating my food. Very good. Well done. Now, let's try to revise, or let's revise what we have learned in this lesson. We try to remember what we have learned in the previous lesson, which was the possessive adjectives. We described different kind of feelings, and also we talked about the possessive adjectives, how to use them if it's followed by a verb or by a noun. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.